How to accept money through Remitly. Expecting money from abroad, here's how to accept funds through Remitly. So, first would be through bank deposit. The sender chooses your bank and funds go directly into your account with SMS confirmation. Step 2, cash pickup. Go to a partner outlet, bring a valid ID and reference number, and claim your money instantly. Third would be GCash wallet. The sender selects GCash and funds appear directly in your balance with SMS confirmation. And lastly, home delivery. In selected provinces, a courier delivers cash to your address, so show valid ID to receive. Now, the requirements would be a valid ID, ensure your name matches the sender's details, and verify your GCash or bank account. And that is how you can easily accept money through Remitly. Accepting money through Remitly is simple. Choose bank deposit, cash pickup, GCash, or home delivery.